Hello, everybody. So, today we are going to analyze the most hated cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency world, which is LTC. Actually, the second most. The first most is XRP, which is Ripple. Okay. Why LTC is the most hated cryptocurrency after XRP? Because it is not pumping. Simple reason. Okay. Like Bitcoin has pumped to its new ATH, Ethereum has pumped to its new ATH, but LTC didn't even you know crossed its to new ATH, and everybody was expecting LTC to be at least $500 to $600, but it just pumped to $400 and went into a correction. And right now everybody is hating LTC, and even there is so much disbelief about LTC in the market, and almost everybody is expecting that LTC is not going to pump. It is not going to outperform in the altcoin season. The thing which is hated in the market gives you, you know, phenomenal returns. Okay, so you need to keep this in mind. If every shitcoin is pumping, LTC is not a shitcoin. Obviously, it is just a kind of copycat of Bitcoin. You can say that LTC is a faster Bitcoin, but that is also not futuristic, not much futuristic. We have way better options than LTC in terms of fundamentals, but on technical I would say majority the majority which is saying that LTC is not going to perform well, they are going to chase LTC with all their balls, in upcoming months or weeks. Why? Because we have the similar pattern on HTF, which is this triangle kind of thing. Okay, this triangle kind of thing, or maybe you can say it as a ascending triangle, which is in which is forming, which has not completed yet. And every coin you can see, look at just look at Mana, MANA USDT. I'm just giving you example. I know these are not same category of projects. This triangle broke up and then it gave you a message return. uh, Next is sand. Even if you look at sand, it has given you the same kind of consolidation here, the consolidation, and it pumped. Even if we look at ETH, same thing. Actually, it has followed BTC more, so that's why it is having this kind of retest at 40k we have at BTC. So there are many other coins which are, you wait, I think Neo gives you better. No. So this is a USDT chart which you are looking at right now. The main catalyst is hiding in the BTC chart. We will analyze it next. First, let's have a look where this is going to make a top. Simple as I use in my all the alts video. Just take a 161 retracement from the top to bottom, which is around $600, and the second target would be around $1,000. It would be 2618. Okay, $900. So this is the target for the USDT pair, and uh, if we look at the BTC pair, which is more interesting. Why? See, we have the biggest bullish divergence on the weekly chart in BTC pair. This is the biggest divergence I've ever seen in the history of mankind for technical analysis. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is so far the biggest divergence you can ever see. Or you can see it's in a falling wedge pattern. when it is going to break out and it is near to its previous low, here taking a long position is like the wisest decision. It can be the wisest decision of your life. It is going to pump so bad that you will miss it. It won't be giving you any kind of retest. I think it will just straight give you a massive candle like we have here. Do you see it? Wait, let me show you a closer look. Like here, it is going to give this kind of response. This was the bottom and it just pumped without any retest on the weekly chart. Same thing is going to happen, but this is going to be the biggest pump than this. Why? Because we are heading to the last quarter and every altcoin should give you 10 to 20x returns. Whatever altcoin you are holding, make sure it should have a at least it should be a mid cap. Okay, so this is going to, seriously, the target would be, the minimum target would be here, and that is, which is around 5x. You see, this is a double bottom pattern. Okay, this is a double bottom pattern. Like we can see, you can say that it is a yeah, it is a double bottom pattern, and this is the neckline. Just imagine what will happen when it is going to break this and retest it. It can give you new ATH also, and when it is going to give you new ATH, what will happen on the USDT chart? Here you will see the insane pumps. Obviously the $1,000, by looking at the BTC chart, you just realize that $1,000 is very possible, is very realistic for the LTC. And when it is going to break that neckline, I just pray that it should break it, and it is going to go to minimum $1,500 or $2,000. It is going to hit that level. This thing looks like a huge range. Just let me, this whole looks like a huge range. For sure we are going to hit these levels, these highs, these recent highs. You can just mark it on your chart. These highs we are definitely going to hit. Maybe it can take time, maybe it can be late as compared to the other coins, but it is going to hit. So what does that mean? That means you should give allocation to LTC, but not that much, because we have better bets than LTC. LTC moves really slow, but when it is going to break out, it is going to be a powerful breakout. And if this range breaks up, and gives a retest, okay, then just calculate the target from here, which is around previous ATH. Okay, so from here to here we have almost 10x. So that says we are going to make 10x in BTC pair. Oh my god, that just turned out to be more than $2,000. So that would be like, the best case scenario if everything pumps. Just keep in mind the conservative targets. First is $650 to $700, second is $900 to $1,000, and third is $1,400 to $1,700. These are going to be the targets for LTC. And in the BTC pair, if you're going to buy it, trust me, it is going to give you really good returns. Okay, the first target is 0.017 Satoshi. It is 1,75,000 Satoshi. Okay, and the second target would be 0.023, and the last target is 0.0432 to 0.044. So that is the video, that is the analysis for LTC. I'm going to upload the video for all other coins. I'm trying my best. My health wasn't that much good, you know that, so that's why there was a delay in the video. um, and make sure you join our Telegram channel and subscribe to our personal traders program, which is at 50% discount right now. And why I'm giving such huge discount? Because I don't want anybody to be left out in this bull market. I want everybody to make the returns, but I can't give it for free for sure, because it takes a lot of time. Because and those are my personal trades. Okay, and I don't take every coin in my account. I just even the premium members, they text me that why you're not giving such like calls, everybody's making money on KuCoin. I don't have enough USDT, right? I just can't buy the whole KuCoin exchange coins or the coins on the Binance. Okay, as we are going to pump in the altcoin market, and Bitcoin has already, if we see at Bitcoin, it has it has already broken out from its falling wedge, and it is going to be a really good pump from here. We can see a big large candles on BTC. I just posted this setup on premium, even on my Telegram channel and also on my Twitter account. So make sure you follow me on Twitter and just pump my followers to 1000 or 5000 or 10k. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video. Bye.
Sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted sorrow.